We'll guide you through how to make an educational video on NotebookLM. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your device to begin creating an educational video using NotebookLM. Next, go to notebooklm.google.com by typing it into the address bar. After that, press enter and wait for the website to load completely. Once the home page appears, allow all elements to fully load so you can access every tool without issues. After everything is ready, click the Create New Notebook button to start a new project workspace for your educational video. Now click the Add Sources button to begin adding your learning materials. Upload or paste your notes, articles, or PDFs that will be used to support your educational content. Wait for NotebookLM to process and organize all the sources automatically. After processing is complete, check the left panel for source discovery suggestions. Review the recommended materials related to your topic and select the most relevant sources for your educational video. Once selected, click Import to add them into your notebook. Wait again while NotebookLM analyzes all imported content in detail. After the analysis is finished, read the key insights generated in the chat panel. Make sure you fully understand the main points and important information from the sources. Next, open the right-hand panel inside NotebookLM and find the Video Overview option. Click it and choose your video format, either explainer or brief, depending on your teaching style and content needs. Then select your preferred language and choose a video style that fits your educational presentation. Enter clear instructions in the prompt box and add focus notes on what the AI should explain in detail to guide the output properly. Press Enter to generate your educational video script, and wait while NotebookLM structures the content automatically. Once the video is generated, carefully review it to ensure accuracy, clarity, and flow.